Hi everyone! In this video I want to tell about how to set number of a building sections to elements by filtered views automatically. Firstly, it's actually for those who work in one model but have many building sections, and there is always something changing. To simplify the process of assigning building section values to elements, we need to prepare some actions. In project parameters, we create parameter like section number, then assigning to required categories. Create section views, which includes in view range all elements of categories with parameter from paragraph 1. Unfortunately, rooms or spaces are not fully viewed in section views. So if you need these categories, you must create floor plans with rooms or spaces. Prepares are done, and now our elements may be filtered by building sections. To automate this process will help a script for a specific project. Now I tell about principal scheme. If its script are necessary to your project, please contact me. I'm always open to partnerships.